together on an elastic member. Okay, up till now we have seen that there was only one load acting. Okay, but if number of loads acting are more than one, then strain or deformation caused by all the members is sum of deformation caused by individual members. Okay, now what it says actually, we'll see with this example. Okay, how to solve this problem. Now what the principle of superposition says. This is not a uniform cross section member. Up till now we have seen that the member was having one cross section, some diameter, some thickness or some cross section like square. In this case the member is consisting of three different sections. The first part of the diameter is 20, the second part has diameter 10 and third part has diameter 20. What we have to find here? We have to determine resultant elongation, means total elongation. Resultant means total elongation of this particular rod. Up till now which formula did we use to find elongation? Delta L is equal to P8 upon E. Okay, now in this case, what principle of superposition says? The total elongation, deformation. The statement says that total deformation, that means total elongation in this case will be sum of what? Individual elongation produced by these three members. That means elongation produced by member 1 plus elongation produced by member 2 plus elongation produced by member 3 will be total elongation because of all the three members. Have you understood? So we have to separately find elongation because of 1, 2 and 3 and we have to add them. But before that, we have to first of all find value of P, which is not given here. Okay, for that we have to use equilibrium of forces. What is that? Which are the three conditions of equilibrium? Three conditions of equilibrium. Engineering mechanics you have studied. Which are the three conditions? F of x equal to 0. Then summation of forces along direction x equal to 0. Summation of forces along y equal to 0 and summation of moments at about or at any point is equal to 0. Okay, now in this case, forces are acting along y. You have seen that. Whether forces act on other direction. In which direction all the forces are acting? All the forces are acting along direction x. We can call it as direction x. The perpendicular direction will be direction y. Okay. So here we can apply condition only summation x is equal to 0. Okay. So if we write equation for this, how will you write the equation? Minus 30 minus 15 minus 3 plus 50 equal to 0. So by using that you can be able to calculate P. So first step you calculate that P line. Summation sigma fx equal to 0. Okay, so summation sigma fx equal to 0 gives. You write down equation. Summation of forces along x equal to, tell me, minus 30 minus 15 minus p plus 50 equal to 0. So this gives you p is equal to 5 kilo Newton. So this is the first step to find value of p. Okay. Now second step. It's very simple. You can easily apply equation. Next, now we have to just make these three members separate. Okay, member 1, member 2 and member 3. But while making the members separate, we have to satisfy the condition of summation of forces is equal to 0. So if we do that, you can see these are the formulae which we are going to use. Which are the formulae? Delta L is equal to PL upon E. If force is given in kilonewton, we have to convert it into Newton by using factor 10 raised to 3. 1 meter distance converted into millimeter, 1000 millimeter, and value of E in GPa is converted into Newton per mm square by multiplying it by 10 raised to 3. Is it understood? Now, first member drawn separately. So this is the way we calculate summation Fx equal to, that gives you P is equal to 5. Now, member 1 and member 2. Both of you pay attention. Member 1, you can see what is the force acting to the left? 30 kilonewton. If you want it to make in equilibrium, the member is to be made in equilibrium. So how much force should act on the right side? 30, because 30 is acting to the left. It will be in equilibrium only if 30 is acting to the right. So minus 30 plus 30 is equal to 0. That way member 1 is in equilibrium. Now see member 3. Member 3 is this. How much force is acting to the right? 50 to the right. So how much should act to the left? 50 should also act to the left. So this way now member 3 is in equilibrium. Now the force acting on member 2, we have to apply in such a way that this condition is satisfied. That means value of P is equal to how much? 5 kilonewton, and this force is equal to 15. These two forces with this value should act at that point. How to make it act? You can see. P is how much? 5. Out of that 50 is already here. Are you understanding what I am saying? 50 is already acting to the left because of this equilibrium. Now at this point how much force we have to make act? P how much? 5. Okay, so 5 करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? Already 50 इस तरफ है, तो रिजल्टेंट क्या होना चाहिए? 5 to the left. 5 to the left कब होगा? If we apply 45 to the right. Have you understood or not? Yes. 5, 50 left, 45 right. इसका रिजल्टेंट क्या हुआ? 5. Minus 50 plus 45 equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is 5 to the left. Yes. Have you understood or not? Yes. ये जो 50 यहाँ पर है, ये 50 आपको ऐसे ही रखना है because we want member 3 in equilibrium. First thing. Secondly, आपको दूसरा कंडीशन क्या सेटिस्फाई करना है? Value of P is equal to 5 kilonewton. किस डायरेक्शन में? Left. Left means minus 5. Left means minus 5. Right means plus. Okay. So minus 5 करने के लिए आपको यहाँ पे ये जो इस मेंबर पे जो फोर्स अप्लाई करना है वो कितना होना चाहिए? Plus 45. Have you understood this? Yes, sir. Minus 50 plus 45 is nothing but 5. Minus 5 means to the left. और अगर ये मेंबर इक्विलिब्रियम होना चाहिए तो इसमें अगर 45 इस तरफ एक्ट होता है, if 45 is acting to the right, how much should act to the left? 45 होना चाहिए. Then only it will be in equilibrium. Okay. Now whether this condition is satisfied, check it. इस पॉइंट पे कितना फोर्स है? 15 kilonewton. Is it satisfied or not? Just check it. 30 to the right, मतलब 30 plus 45 minus 30 minus 45 कितना हुआ? Minus 15. Minus 15 means
left side.
15 to the left. Have you understood this? This is the way we have to first of all draw 3 members separately by applying condition of equilibrium. Is it clear? Once you decide this, rest of the work is very simple. सबसे important काम है आपको तीनों भी members पर separately कितना force act करना है और वो किस direction में करना है. ये decide अगर हो गया तो बाकी का काम आपको क्या करना है? We have to only apply equation PL upon A. So you first draw this, then we'll continue with the next. Okay, so we have written area of section 1, area of section 2, area of section 3. Similarly, length of section 1, length of section 2, length of section 3. Okay, our formula is delta L is equal to PL upon A. Okay, now all of you just pay attention. How to make calculations? Easy. Everyone pay attention. Total elongation delta L is equal to, for section 1 what will be the formula? P1 L1 upon A1 E, because E is same for all the members. Material property is same. Okay, plus P2 L2 upon A2 E plus P3 L3 upon E3 into E. So what is common here? E is common. So I can make it 1 upon E in bracket P1 L1 upon A1 plus P2 L2 upon A2 plus P3 L3 upon A3. Now respectively you tell me the values. What is value of E? 200 GPa. Value of E 200 GPa. Convert into Newton per millimeter square. How? 1 upon 200. This is GPa into 10 raised to 3. So all of you all now know the conversion factor. This will be Newton per millimeter square. In bracket now 210. Okay. So value is 2108 to 10 raised to, right? P1. Now tell me first force acting on first member. Force 30 kilonewton. So 30 into 10 raised to 3. ये हो गया P1. What is L1? 1000. So into 1000 millimeter divided by area 314.15. ये हो गया मेंबर 1 के लिए P1 L1 upon A1 1 upon A into this, right? Plus second member force. How much is the force? 45. Yes. Force on member 2. Tensile or compressive? All the forces are tensile. Why I am asking? I will tell you reason later on. 45 into 10 raised to 3. This is force. L2 1200 upon 78.55. Plus force on third member, force on member 3, 50 into 10 raised to 3 into length is 1200 upon 314.15. Okay, P1 L1 upon A1, P2 L2 upon A2, P3 L3 upon A3, and E is common, which is 1 upon 210 into 10 raised to 3. So after calculations you get the answer. Is it 4.09?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer is 4.09 millimeter.